Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unite clips, like a lot of clips into one. So I'm just going to add some clips here and I'm just going to like split them too. So I'll just be adding these clips and I am also going to split them in a few clips, and also for this one I am going to also do that too, like so. And also on the last video I will be doing that too. This is just random, by the way, so then do not expect it to look good. So I'm going to delete the rest and I'm just going to jumble them all into like an array of clips. And to basically unite them all into one single clip, you're just going to press Ctrl A on your keyboard or select all the clips like this. Right click and you can group them, but it's still going to be this big pile of clips. So I'm going to right click and press create compound clip instead, and it's going to turn into one big clip like so. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!